New just listed home, 960 Starkey Road, Unit 3106, Largo, Florida, by Tim Thompson from the Military Veteran Team. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home on a spacious 1,836 square feet layout offers comfort and convenience. Located near Gulf beaches, this light and bright corner condo features an exclusive oversized terrace. Inside, luxury vinyl plank flooring flows through the open living areas. It has a sophisticated and welcoming design. Seamlessly connected, the chef-inspired kitchen shines with granite countertops, shaker cabinetry, and a center island. The functional split plan hosts a primary suite with dual walk-in closets, very spacious and cozy. The other 2 rooms are spacious and perfect for relaxing. The master suite bathroom is spacious and sophisticated, and the second bathroom is complete, cozy, and comfortable. Enjoy resort-style pools, a garage, and impact windows for peace of mind. Contact us and make it yours.